believe it. I wanna open up my eyes, I wanna see it. I wanna feel it in my soul, heart, body, and mind. I wanna get up for that sweet summertime.